And welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn how to use large language model like ChatGPT as our personal career coach. Okay, so why we need a personal career coach? See, suppose I'm a working professional now. So I want to take a transition like one industry to another industry or one division to another division. I want to take a transition or completely the same field I want to grow, like next level, like that way I want to grow. Or I am a student, I am just for completing my graduation. So after graduation, what I will do, what are the stream I need to take, what are the subject I need to master so that I can get a high paying job and all these things. So like this way we need a personal career coach who will guide you, who will guide me, that you do that kind of thing. That person will help me to that person will help me for preparing the job interview, what kind of question the interviewer may ask, what are the skills that I need to master so that I can achieve my goal, I can go into that position. So all these things, so we need a personal career coach who will guide us, who will guide me, that you do this, you do that, you don't do that, like that way guide all the based on my requirement. That person will guide me. So for this particular video we are not getting any physical person. We will use large language model like ChatGPT. We can use any other language model as well, like Copilot is there, Gemini is there. But for this particular video I will use ChatGPT. I have written few prompts for the job seeker only, so you can use it. And I'm sure you will get the, I have already tested it, so I'm sure you will get the benefit out of it. Okay, so here the prompt I have written. I think you have understood that why we need a career coach, how a career coach can help. So anyway, I will copy that prompt, I will go to the ChatGPT and I will show the step-by-step instruction. Okay, so here one prompt is here, we will tell ChatGPT or any other large language model, you are an experienced career coach with expertise in helping individual transition into new roles successfully. Ask me questions to understand my current job, reasons for seeking a change, transferable skills, and the industries I am interested in. Once you have enough information, provide me with a step-by-step plan to improve my chances of landing the desired job. Start by asking me about the job role I am looking for, or I am aiming for, I am looking for, like that way. So I am telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, I need a transition, and I am giving a role to ChatGPT that you think that you are an experienced career coach and you help this kind of subject, you help that kind of people. Okay, so now ask me question to understand my current job. So you will ask me the question until you get satisfied, until all the detailed information you will collect from me, and then you will craft a personalized plan for me. Okay, so this is our prompt. Now let's copy it and let's go to ChatGPT. I think you have got the idea now. Here it is, the prompt. So again I am reading this prompt. The prompt is like, you are an experienced career coach with expertise in successful helping individual transition into new roles. Ask me questions to understand my current job, reasons for seeking change, transferable skills, okay, and the industries I am interested in. Once you have enough information, provide me with a step-by-step plan to improve my chances of landing my desired job. Start by asking me about the job role I am aiming for or I am looking for. So now let's press enter and see what ChatGPT can do. So here ChatGPT is asking me the question. So we can again modify this one. You will ask me question one after another. You will ask me one question, you will ask the questions together, all the questions together. We can say that you will ask me one after another. Like you will ask me one question, I will provide the answer, then the next question, like that way. So here great, let's start by narrowing down your goals. So here ChatGPT has given me 10 questions. It is asking me 10 questions answer. 10 questions it has given me. So what job role are you aiming to transition into? So I will say data analytics. I will say one, data analytics. to what is it? What is your current job role? What is your current job title, and what are your primary responsibilities in this role? So it is asking me all the detailed questions so that it can craft a personalized plan for me. Okay, so what is the current job role? I would say uh, IT consultant. IT consultant. And then it is asking, and what are your primary responsibilities in this role? uh, Business and IT team consult with me. I consult with I consult with business and core IT team about the requirement. Now, three, I will say what is the questions like why are you seeking a career change? What motivates you about the new role? The opportunities. Uh, Opportunities are huge in the current company. Four, what transferable skills from your current role can we apply for the reservation? I would say SQL, Excel, Excel, suppose. Five, then do you have any experience, formal, informal, and align with this new role? I did not do any practical job. I did not do any practical job. Then six, I would say, what industries or companies are you interested in targeting with the new role? Sorry, any service-based company, any service-based company, any service-based company who will pay me more. Suppose you can provide the your desired company as well. So seven, I would say, now what is the preferred timeline for making the transition? I would say within 1 year. Within 1 year. Then eight, I would say, have you already started building relevant skill? Yes, I would say yes, I am learning the relevant skill. Yes, I am learning when skills. No, nine. What is it is? What challenges, obstacles do you anticipate during this transition? I need some practical project to work on. I need some practical. I need some practical project for to for hands-on practice. To hands-on practice. 10, what is the question? What kind of support or guidance would you find most helpful in this process? uh, Practical practical project for portfolio. practical project for portfolio. So suppose these are the questions answer I need to provide, and now see, now I will provide send. Now let's see how it works. After providing all the answers, let's see how. Thanks for sharing the information. Thanks for sharing the information. Here is the step by step plan to transition into a data analytics role within a year. Build a strong foundation. Okay, continuing honing that SQL and Excel, as this are crucial for data analytics. Okay, start learning data visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau or Python for data manipulation. Okay, familiarize yourself with the business intelligence concept and how data driven insight supports design and decision making. Okay, this is number one. Then number two, it is saying gain practical experience. Okay, I need some practical experience. Enroll in online courses like include capstone project like Udemy, Coursera, Data Camp. Okay, work on real world database like from platforms like Kaggle and Data World. Okay, Kaggle and Data World. Okay, I need to practice on that. Then create project demonstration skill like data cleaning, visualization, and generating insights. For examples, analyzing sales data to identify trends. Okay, building dashboards for performance metrics. Okay, build a portfolio, showcase 3 to 4 practical projects relevant to analytics in an organized GitHub repository or a personal website. Okay, include a mix of technical and business related case studies to showcase versatility. Okay, network strategically. Okay, connect with the data analytics and hiring managers on LinkedIn in service based companies. Join communities like analytical with the analytics with the Tableau public or local meetups. Seek informational interviews to learn about their work and challenges. Tailor your application materials, upgrade your resume and LinkedIn profile to emphasize transferable skills like requirements gathering, problem solving, and communication, and highlight the tools and all those things. Gain certification, like obtain certification in relevant tools and analytics, Microsoft Power BI, Google Data Analytics. Okay, and share your certificate on LinkedIn to demonstrate commitment. Okay, start applying for entry level roles, like apply the roles like junior data analyst, data associate in your target companies. Use job description to align your resume and project portfolio. Okay, develop interview skill. Okay, practice common data analysis interview questions such as explaining how you analyze the data set. Write basic SQL queries during live exercise. Okay, gain a paid or voluntary experience. Look for internship, freelancing, or voluntary projects to build industry experience. Offer analytic services to small businesses or non-profits for experience and testimonials. Okay, stay consistent and track project. So set weekly or monthly goals for learning, portfolio building, and applications. Regularly assess your progress, and these are the things. So now see, based on my suppose I have given a prompt and I said you will ask me all the relevant questions, and then you will take all the detailed information. You will ask me which job which company I am interested in, what kind of job role I am interested in. So this kind of thing you will ask me, and then I will provide all the details, and then you will combine all the questions answer, and then you will guide me what I should do, or what are the way I should follow for to achieve my goal and all those things. So after providing this prompt, it has asked me 10 questions, and after providing all the questions answer, so it has given me a personalized what I need to do, what I need not do, all the detailed information it has given. Build a strong foundation from 10 steps it has given. How I can build a portfolio, how I can gain practical experience, how I can build a strong foundation, how I can do the networking, how can I about the application certificate, how can I get all the detailed information it has given. So now it is pretty clear to me what are the things I need to do if I want to become a data analyst. Yeah, all the steps it has given. So now again, you have got the idea how to use this prompt. So what you can do is you can copy this prompt, and then you can paste it, and then based on your requirement, what is your expectation, what you want to get from ChatGPT, that expectation you need to mention here. Again, what you can do is, suppose one any point, suppose here 10 suggestion it has given, right? Build a strong portfolio, this kind of points, 10 points it has given. So now any of this point or sub point, any of the point you want to know more about that subject, suppose build a portfolio or networking strategically, okay? Then suppose gain certificate, suppose this point you want to know more, gain certificate. So how you can get certificate, what are the certificate you require? So what you can do is, you can again narrow it down, you can filter it again. Please explain the point number 6, that is called prompt engineering. So you are modifying all those things. Please explain point number 6, that is what, point number 6, gain certification. So again, if you do this, what will happen, just check, it will explain more about that point. So gain certification or detailed explanation. So here the certification validate your skills and make you more credible to potential employers. So here is how you can approach, why certification matters. So these are the reason. Recommended certifications: Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, you can do it from Coursera, okay? Cover key topics like SQL, data visualization, and the statistics, okay? Offer practical projects to include in your portfolio. Industry recognized and suitable for beginners, okay? Then Microsoft Power BI Data Analytics Certification, PL 300, focus on creating reports and dashboard using Power BI. Prepares you to work with the data modeling and analysis tool. Now W desktop specialist certification, validate your availability to use W for data visualization. SQL certification, you can do it from Udemy or Data Camp. Or AWS certification, data analytics specialty, advanced certification for those interested in cloud-based analytics, okay? Then focus on using AWS tools for large-scale data analysis. IBM data analyst professional certificate, that is also available in Coursera. You can do, see, in any point, again you can narrow it down. What you can do is, suppose this certification you want to know more about, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst certification. So again you will say, please explain point number 2, that is Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst certification. So again it will explain what is that, the more detailed information it will provide, okay? So like that way you can master if you know it, how to master ChatGPT prompt engineering, that is okay. But like this way anyone can master ChatGPT prompt engineering. Anyone can speak with this large language model and get the benefit out of it, okay? So anyway, this is not the video for how you can master ChatGPT prompt engineering. But anyway, there is one course, if you want to master ChatGPT prompt engineering, that is also available. You can check it out. And if you want to master that ChatGPT prompt engineering, beginner to advanced level modules are there, okay? So anyway, so I think you have understood, you have got the value what I wanted to say, that is how we can use any large language model as a personal career coach, and how we can get the benefit out of it, okay? So yeah, that's it for this video. So anyway, one more thing I just want to share with you. If you want to get there, 10,000 plus advanced and premium ChatGPT prompts are available. If you want to get, here I have used only one prompt, but lots of prompts are available. So if you want to get this access of this prompt, you can enroll it, so you will get the access. 10,000 plus premium and advanced ChatGPT prompts are available, as well as ChatGPT prompt engineering course are also available if you want to master that large language model, okay? So yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.